Ready to roll the dice on AliExpress? Let's find out if it's worth the risk. The sheer volume of products can be overwhelming. Focus on items with lots of reviews. A higher number generally indicates more people have tested the product. Click on those star ratings, dig into the feedback section. Don't just look at the average. Read what actual buyers are saying. Pay attention to both the good and the bad. Look for common themes in the reviews. Are people consistently complaining about the same issue? Check the seller's rating. A high rating and a large number of followers suggest a more reputable seller. Don't skip the product description. Look for detailed specifications, materials used, and any warranty information. Use the built-in chat feature to contact the seller directly. A responsive and helpful seller is a good sign. Remember AliExpress beer protection. This offers a safety net if your item doesn't arrive or isn't as described. AliExpress can be a treasure trove, but it requires careful research and a healthy dose of skepticism. Shop smart, read reviews, and protect yourself.